Sabi ko nga kahihain dito. Ikot, punta doon, tapos kasunod naman. Kasi wala tayong bigyan tayo.
Ayaw pa yung mabusog na kanya.
Si ate, kinain yung amin na rin. Oh, masarap pa, masarap, masarap.
Asim.
Yummy to be.
2, 3, no, open ang eyes. Red.
Don't touch! Don't touch!
Don't touch the color. Hindi ka nag-touch. Pag sinabi ko red.
Oo, don't touch. Ay, may pamalit ganon. O, sige, good.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, yellow. Purple. Red. Green. 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 Red. Green. Green. Red. 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 Purple. Yellow. Orange. Yellow. Green.
Kung saan nyo gusto? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hindi kayo lumipat. Okay, ready. Ito na, magbabasa na ako ha. Listen carefully. Julie left the lights shimmering. Wala ka, shimmering. Left. Listen. Ako lang ang magsasalita. Listen carefully ha. Julie left. Isa lang. Sundan niyo yung sinasabi ko. Ganun lang siya. One move lang. One move. One move lang. One move. Left. Okay. Shimmering on the left side of the large pine tree, carefully placing red bulbs right next to shimmering gold ones. Right before leaving for work, she left a little note. On the kitchen table for her husband, explaining she left the presents right by the fireplace. Okay. Last. Right as the clock struck 5, Julie returned, leaving her right glove right by the door. And her left pocket last na. Right then and there, they both admired the beautifully wrapped gifts left under the tree. Okay, tapos na. Okay, so since meron na po tayong upuan lahat, you can now get your stickers. Yeah, and then scratch card po yan, so you can scratch, and then kung ano yung laman niya, yun po yung magiging gift nyo. Okay? So, meron dyang travel package, grocery package, entertainment package. Kanino to, sister?
Something classic. Something useful. Chanel.
Yeah.
Sa akin, smartwatch.
Okay, later po to be changed, ha? Sige po. Pakihawak nyo lang and to be changed. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you enjoy. Ayan. So, lahat meron